Alright, welcome everyone to the channel. Today we're visiting the Royal Caribbean's Crown Lounge on Symphony of the Seas. We're going to look at the Crown Lounge. It used to be the Diamond Lounge. It's on deck 4 forward on this ship. Let's go in. Tap to enter. Alright, let's do it.
So you have to see your cabin in order to say, okay, this is the cabin. The cabins are not in. Wow.
This is the danger spot.
I know, you're right. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to try one of these little. I was trying to get it out.
Already, yeah.
Okay.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay, got it. We lost the other.
The coffee maker. Hello. How are you? That's a great room. Okay.
It was a coffee.
Yeah.
And you have to know, I think when you take your camera, there's two old ships from the Army that they
Okay, it's done. Yum. Let's find a seat and try something.